I'm Alan Kinney, Editorial Director with REIT.com, and we're at the Wynn Las Vegas for REIT World 2015, NAREIT's annual convention for all things REIT. I'm joined by Chris Volk, President and CEO of STOR Capital Corporation. Chris, tell me a little bit about how your company's balance sheet is positioned to handle whatever may or may not happen with interest rates in the coming year.
Well, first we have reasonably low leverage. So our leverage is 6.3 times funded debt to EBITDA. We also have laddered maturities. We have almost no fixed rate debt. And finally, we have a dividend that we've increased 8% this year, which is really high. Projected AFFO growth for next year that we announced last week of 10%. And so combining those two things insulates us pretty well if you're looking for what might happen if interest rates go up.
And also looking ahead to next year, what are your expectations for retail fundamentals?
Retail is about 15% of our investment, so it's not huge. We focus on things that you can't typically buy over the internet, so like for home furnishings and whatnot. We've been feeling very strong about the retail portfolio we have. Most of our portfolio is service, so take it like restaurants and whatnot, and they've been performing extremely well. Health clubs, early childhood education. So we've been feeling good.
And then looking at acquisitions, what kind of opportunities are presenting themselves?
Well, we announced that we're going to increase our guidance this year to $1.1 billion in net acquisitions for the year. For next year, we announced $750 million worth of acquisitions. The pipeline is still over $6 billion of transactions we're just looking at and evaluating. So we think the market is actually enormous.
Thank you so much for your time, Chris.
Hey, it's a pleasure.
Be sure to visit REIT.com for more from REIT World 2015.